What's up guys, welcome to new Unreal Engine 5 video. Today I just wanted to really showcase this asset, which I already included it in my free for the month asset. So this asset is actually free right now, so go ahead, go fast and get it right now. But basically I just wanted to kind of mention this asset, especially for the ones following my RPG series. And this is just a complementary thing, but if you want to already feel your game, the RPG series that you're following with me, and to feel it more alive and vivid and so on, just go ahead and try out with this pack. I mean, it really reminds me of Assassin's Creed games, like for example Assassin's Creed the new Marriage and so on, coming up in October. So if you want to give it a go, just import it into the RPG series project and boot it up and send me some clips through Discord. I will love it because I think that it will give a lovely feeling. Now of course right now we are doing the quest system, but as soon as we are finished with the quest system, we'll probably do some ranged weapons like the bow and so on, and we'll go ahead and straight up go into the open world. So don't worry, we are not gonna be officially using this asset in the series or whatsoever. I'm just leaving this asset here because I think it's really cool and it really fits the RPG series. So don't worry, of course this is only free for the month. I will not make it official for the series, but just a heads up, this is a great opportunity, so I will be leaving it in the description. So that's it guys. You found this video interesting, I guess. This is just a quick heads up, talking about this asset, but check it out through the first link in the description. Like and subscribe, check out the RPG series. You have all the private files in Patreon and YouTube members, remember that, and join my Discord server, follow me on my socials. And now yes, with all that said, bye bye.